In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change username on Reddit. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the option, what it means if you don't see it, and how to safely confirm your changes. I'll also clarify the difference between your Reddit username and your display name, because that's key to avoiding frustration. Your username is the unique handle that appears on your posts and comments. It's usually permanent once set. Your display name is more flexible and is what people see on your profile, and in some services like chat, you can update that anytime. Start by opening Reddit and heading to your home feed. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to update. If you use multiple accounts, double check which one is active before you continue to avoid changing settings on the wrong profile. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This opens a quick menu with shortcuts to your profile, messages, and settings. If you're on mobile, tap your avatar to find the same options. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to your account's control center, where you can manage privacy, notifications, and profile details. If you're on the app, you may need to open Settings from the gear icon. Once you're in Settings, open the Account tab. This section houses your core identity options, including username and display name. It's the place you need for making changes that affect how your profile appears to others. Under username, check whether you see a change button. If change is visible, your account is eligible to set or update the username. Click it and enter the new username you want. Keep in mind, usernames must be unique, follow Reddit's rules, and once confirmed, are typically permanent. Choose carefully, avoid special characters that aren't allowed, and pick something you're comfortable using long-term. If change is not visible, that means your username can't be altered on this account. In that case, you can still update your display name to personalize how your profile looks. In the field provided, enter your new display name or your new username if your account allows it. Use appropriate capitalization, keep it easy to read, and make sure it aligns with community guidelines. A clear, memorable name helps others recognize you. Finally, click Save to confirm the change. Give it a moment to apply across the app and website. If you updated your display name, you'll see it on your profile and in eligible places right away. If you set a new username, remember that change is usually final, so review it carefully before saving.